Today's new door sizer is backed by over 50 years of innovation and allows machine setups to be done in 10 seconds instead of 10 minutes. What once was 2 to 3 setups per shift is now 200 to 300 setups per shift. With Mereen-Johnson's technically advanced machines, today's sizer can achieve over 5,000 doors per shift. Depending on your operation, doors are stacked and brought to the sizer to be auto or manually fed. At Mereen-Johnson, our sizers complement all operations. Whether automatically or manually fed, our system perfectly aligns each door. All index wheels are servo-controlled for precise positioning and equal material removal on each side of the door. Based on your specifications, the sizer can be built with different cutting and sanding head configurations. This machine has 2 tilting 4-inch oscillating belt sanders configured with 80 grit belts on the first sander and 100 grit belts on the second sander, with top and bottom ease sanders. Mereen-Johnson's precision motor assemblies register the thickness of the door and float on the door to give an even depth of cut. Servo control of horizontal positioning allows precision cutting of square or beveled doors of various door thicknesses by CNC systems. Mereen-Johnson's adjustable side has 3 contoured linear rails supported by multiple linear bearings over each rail. In addition, a linear brake assembly is provided on each rail to maintain position. Mereen-Johnson's best-in-class technology provides motor controls with variable frequency drives and servo drives for all positioning axes. In addition, there are Stratix switches for individual drive communication and IP addressing for plug-and-play drive replacement. The use of safety programmable controller technology enhances safety, increases machine efficiency, and streamlines communications protocols. The 19-inch panel view HMI touchscreen control features all start-stop, positioning, calibrating, and I/O machine diagnostics, giving the operator critical time-saving function control information. Our second pass is set up very similar to the first pass, with the exception of the jump saws, which eliminate blowout of the stiles, complete with hogs, trims, and finish sanding. Mereen-Johnson's 4-inch wide belt sanders have air jump platens with carbide inserts at the infeed and outfeed wear areas and air-cooled with chilled air. Based on door thickness, the amount of oscillation changes to better utilize the entire width of the sanding belt. Station-mounted panel view displays show amp draw and sander head position for the operator to make more precise adjustments. A 1 1/2 horsepower commercial motor drives the upper and lower bent belt ease sanders. The bent belt design utilizes more belt width for longer wear. Belt speed is controlled by Allen Bradley variable frequency drives for smooth acceleration and braking for improved belt life. In-feed and out-feed hardened guides float platens on the door for a more consistent edge. The platens are air-cooled with chilled air. Turn to Mereen-Johnson, where you can count on advanced technology, designed and built for customers' individual needs, controlling your precision and the ROI you deserve.